If you're ready to start an LLC in Florida, you're in the right place. I've personally set up an LLC in Florida, and in this video I'm gonna walk you through the exact step-by-step process so you can do it yourself without any confusion. By the end of this tutorial, you have everything you need to form your Florida LLC, get your tax ID number, and understand all the ongoing requirements to keep your business compliant. We'll cover the real costs, the timeline you can expect, and I'll show you exactly which documents you'll receive. Plus, this setup works perfectly if you're running a local small business, freelancing, selling online through platforms like Shopify, or building your own agency. I'm gonna keep this practical and straightforward, so let's dive right into it. Now, the main reason you'd want to form an LLC in Florida is if you're a Florida resident. But there are still some solid business benefits that make Florida attractive for LLC formation. First, Florida has no state income tax for individuals, which means your LLC is taxed as a pass-through entity. You won't pay any state income tax on the business profits, only personal. And this is a huge advantage compared to states like California or New York. Second, Florida has a business-friendly environment with relatively low fees and straightforward filing requirements. The state supports a wide range of industries, from tourism to real estate to tech startups, so there's good infrastructure for business. The one thing to keep in mind is that Florida does have strict compliance requirements, especially when we talk about annual filings. Miss the deadline and you face some hefty penalties, which we'll cover later in the video. Now, before we jump into the formation process, let's quickly go over what a limited liability company or LLC is. An LLC combines the flexibility and the tax benefits of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. Basically, it creates a totally separate legal entity for your business, which means your personal assets are protected from business debts and legal issues. An LLC is one of the most popular business structures for a good reason. Now, here's something that trips up a lot of people. You need a registered agent for your Florida LLC. And a registered agent is basically your official representative who receives legal documents and government notices on behalf of your LLC. The registered agent has to have a physical address in Florida and needs to be available during business hours. And this is required by Florida law for every single LLC. Now, let's say hypothetically you use your own home address as the registered agent. That is possible, but the information will get on the public record. Anyone can look up your LLC and see your personal address. Plus, if you're not available when important legal documents arrive, you could miss critical deadlines. That is why I always recommend using a professional registered agent service. It protects your privacy, ensures you never miss important documents, and keeps you compliant with the state requirements. And for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Northwest Registered Agent. I've used them personally, they're reliable, reasonably priced, and make the whole process really straightforward. To follow along, you can go to the link in the description or type in buyhassle.com/Northwest. This will bring you over to the homepage and will save you over $200 in filing fees. From here, we can click on Let's Get You Started, and this will bring us to the page from where we can form our company. First, you'll see options for the different business types. We want to select LLC since that is what we're forming today. Next, you need to select your state. Obviously, right here, we're going to select Florida. So right here, I'm simply going to type in Florida, and then it's right here. And now you will see the pricing displayed, the basic package of $39 for the formation, then the Florida processing fee of $125, which for now brings us to a total of $164. And without the discount, this total would be $289, so you're saving a nice bit of money. From here, we can click on Continue, and now we can fill in the actual information of our business. First up, the company name. And this needs to be unique in Florida and has to end with a limited liability company or LLC. Now, for this video, I'm going to do Vector Tube LLC. Therefore, this question, send a copy of lawsuits and legal notices to your attorney. I'm going to select no. And for the business purpose, you can fill in something that you're going to do. For example, running a marketing agency or for a local business. But just for simplicity, you can also select use generic business purpose. That's what I've done as well. So I recommend selecting that. Now for the address, we can select the physical address we want on record with the state and the mailing address. And this is really important that you select the registered agent address of Northwest, same as with the mailing address, and then we can click continue as well. Next, we will choose our management structure. And for most single owner LLCs, you want this to put on member managed. Then you want to fill in your own name as you are the main member of the LLC, so first and last name, and also set the address on the registered agent address of Northwest. Then here we have a question, list members / managers with the state, and I would recommend selecting list with the state, because if you don't do that, it might be more private if you click omit from the state, but you can have more trouble opening bank accounts and doing business with your LLC. Once this is filled in, you can go to contact information, and this is where you want to fill in your own information. And these personal contact details will be kept private. These are just for Northwest to communicate with you during the process and to complete the payment. Next, we go to business identity, and this is where you need to make some decisions. Northwest will offer things like a business identity package for a website, an email address, and a phone number. I would recommend not getting this, as you can get this later anyway, and it's not free, it's only a 90-day trial. However, then on the next page, we have some more options right here, and there's one service you absolutely need, and that's the tax ID or EIN. You need this to open up a business bank account, file taxes, and basically do anything with your LLC. Now, you could get this EIN number yourself from the IRS, but it's a hassle and can take weeks. Northwest can handle this for you for about $50 right here. If you're a resident, if you're a non-resident, it's $200. They get it done much faster, and for the time saving alone, I recommend letting them handle it. Then other options like S corporation elections with the IRS, premium mail service, DBA trade name filing are generally unnecessary for basic LLC setups. You can always add these later if needed, but for now you can skip them as well and click on continue. Then the order is complete and you can make the purchase. Then all the information has been added and we can now complete our purchase right here. But let's also talk about the real costs here, because it's important for your business planning. For the initial formation, the Florida state filing fee is $125. The filing fee of Northwest $39, and the EIN service is $50. So your initial formation cost is around $214. But here's what some people don't realize is that there are ongoing annual costs. And in Florida, this is relatively low. You need an annual report in the state of $139, and the ongoing registered agent fee of Northwest is $125 per year. So totally per year, you're gonna spend $268 to keep your LLC alive. And I'm telling you this upfront because you need to factor in these recurring costs into your business planning. It's not just only a one-time expense. Now, after you purchase this package as Northwest, they start the process of filing your company. And Florida processes LLC filings quite quickly. For the LLC formation, it's around 4 to 10 business days. Then the EIN processing through Northwest is around 1 to 2 weeks. Then once everything is approved, you'll get access to Northwest dashboard where you can download all your important documents. This includes your article of organization, which is the official proof that your LLC is legally formed, the registered agent address, this is your official address in Florida from the registered agent of Northwest, your EIN number, this will be your business tax ID, used for all of your LLC operations and tax related things, and of course also your LLC branding, the name where you will operate from, which will be your official business identity. The dashboard is actually really useful because it stores all your documents in one place and sends you reminders about upcoming filing deadlines. Now let's talk about taxes, because this is really important and often overlooked. Now, as I said, Florida LLCs are typically taxed as pass-through entities, which means that business profits and losses pass through to your personal tax return. You don't pay taxes on the business level. And here's the big advantage of Florida compared to many other states. Florida has no state income tax for individuals. So while you still owe federal income tax and self-employment tax, there's no state income tax in Florida, which is a big advantage if you're looking at other states like New York or California. Then lastly, let's go over the required annual filings and penalties in this state. Every Florida LLC has to file an annual report by May 1st. The fee is $139 and you can file through your registered agent Northwest or through the Florida Division of Corporations website, but it's important to know there's a $400 fine when missing this deadline. And I've really seen people lose their LLCs because they forgot about this filing. Alright, so let's wrap this up. Florida is an excellent choice for LLC formation, especially with its no income tax and business-friendly regulations. Using a professional registered agent like Northwest protects your privacy and keeps you compliant. Again, for all the resources, I've left links down in the description. They help support the channel and get you a better deal when forming your own LLC. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask them down below in the comments. With that being said, have an amazing rest of your day.